Hello friends, myself Mitesh Chudasma. Today we are going to discuss topic on prokaryotes. So prokaryotes including mycoplasma, phytoplasma and bacteria. Now what is prokaryotes? A prokaryotes is a single celled organism that lack membrane bound nucleus, mitochondria or any other membrane bound organelles. They possess protein based microcompartments which thought to act as a primitive organelles. As you can see here, this is the photograph of prokaryotes which having a very small hair-like structure that is called as pili, then capsule, then cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, ribosomes and fimbriae. Now prokaryotic cell structure. First one is capsule. Capsule is outer covering of the bacteria which protects the bacterial cell from the outer environment. Capsule, which is found in all bacterial cell, which is outer covering that protects the cell when it is engulfed by the other organism. Then next one is cell wall. It is also outer covering of most cells that protects the bacterial cell and gives it shape. It also helps the bacteria to give us shape. Then cytoplasm. It is gel-like substance composed mainly of water that also contains enzymes, salt, then cell components, then cell membrane or plasma membrane that surrounds the cell cytoplasm and regulates the flow of substances in and out of the cell. Then pili. It is a hair-like structure which helps the cell to attach the other bacterial cell. Then flagella. It is a long whip-like structure which helps the bacteria in the locomotion. Then ribosome. It is cell structure responsible for protein production. Then plasmid. It is gene-carrying circular DNA structure that are not involved in reproduction. Then nuclear region. It is area of cytoplasm that contains single bacterial DNA molecules. Now, how reproduction takes place in bacteria? Most of the prokaryotes involved in sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, that is takes place in bacteria. In asexual reproduction, which is done through binary fission. In binary fission, as you can see here, one cell is divided into two daughter cells, in which binary fission DNA molecules replicates and original cell is divided into two identical cells. During binary fission, two daughter cell is divided. First of all, cell bigger in size, increase in size, then DNA molecules also divided and it is converted into two daughter cells. Now reproduction. When condition favors the bacteria, it reproduces at every 20 minutes. In 48 hours, a single bacterial cell could become culture 4,000 times the mass of the earth. But eventually it is not done in the earth. Now binary fission. As we have discussed earlier, binary fission, two identical daughter cells are formed during the binary fission. It is an asexual form of reproduction. Now conjugation. Conjugation is a sexual form of reproduction in which genetic information is exchanged between individuals, in which long bridge-like structure is made between two cells, that is recipients and donor. DNA is transferred from one cell to another cell, that is donor and recipient. As you can see here, this is a chromosomal DNA of donor and this one is plasmid, then this one is recipient, and this one is pilius-like structure and bridge-like structure is made between two cells. Then genetic information is exchanged during this process of conjugation and formation of new donor after the genetic information is exchanged. During this process, new donor is formed which having a totally new genetic information. Now spore formation. It is another one reproduction method of bacteria in which bacteria is formed by the spore. The spore which is formed during unfavorable condition. One type is called as endospore, which is spore which formed inside the bacteria. Cell forms a thick internal wall that encloses its DNA. A spores can remain dormant for a month until conditions improve. जब तक उसे कोई फेवरेबल कंडीशन नहीं मिलेगा तब तक वो डॉर्मेंट कंडीशन में ही रहता है. Now what is the difference between prokaryote cells and eukaryote cells? So prokaryote cell is very minute in size, whereas eukaryotes is larger in size as compared to prokaryote. Now nuclear region is not surrounded by nuclear membrane in prokaryotes, whereas nuclear material is surrounded by nuclear membrane in eukaryote. And prokaryote having a single chromosome is present, whereas more than one chromosome is present in eukaryotes. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotes, whereas nucleus is present in eukaryote. Membrane-bound as well as membrane-bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotes, and membrane-bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotes. Cell division takes place by fission or budding in prokaryotes, whereas cell division takes place by mitosis and meiosis in eukaryotes. Now what is the difference between gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria? As you can see here, gram-positive bacteria having a thick cell wall, and size of it is 150 to 200 angstrom, whereas thickness of cell wall in gram-negative bacteria is 75 to 120 angstrom. In cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria is single layer, smooth and contrast with the cell membrane, whereas in gram-negative bacteria cell wall is wavy and in contact with cell membrane. In lipid contents of gram-positive bacteria, that is 2 to 4%. In lipid content of cell wall of gram-negative bacteria, that is 20 to 30%. And muramic acids contents are 70 to 95% in gram-positive bacteria and 5 to 20% in gram-negative bacteria. Amino acid sugars are 10 to 20% in gram-positive bacteria and 2 to 8% in gram-negative bacteria. Pili are rare observed in gram-positive bacteria, whereas in gram-negative pili is commonly found. For example, examples of gram-positive bacteria, Bacillus, Clostridium, Lactobacillus and Staphylococcus are the examples of the gram-positive bacteria. Then in gram-negative bacteria, Rhizobium, Agrobacterium, Vibrio and Xanthomonas, where in teichoic acid is absent in gram-positive bacteria and teichoic acid is present in gram-negative bacteria. In another difference, we can say that gram-positive bacteria are sensitive to penicillin, whereas gram-negative bacteria are non-sensitive to penicillin. So these are the difference between gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Now morphology of bacterial cell. So bacteria having a different size and shape. According to different size and shape, we can identify their structure and their species. Now coccus, it can be used to describe any bacterium that has a spherical shape. As you can see here, this one is coccus. If it is 2 in number, that is called as diplococci. if it is more in number and it is arranged in a triangle shape, that is called as staphylococci. If it is 4 in number, that is called as tetrad, then sarcina and streptococci. Now what is spirochetes? Spirochetes belong to a phylum of distinctive diadem bacteria, most of which have long helically coiled cells. Spirochetes are chemoheterotrophic in nature with lengths between 5 and 220 micrometer and diameter around 0.1 to 0.6 micrometer. तो बैक्टीरिया के जो भी शेप है उस हिसाब से उसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन किया जाता है और उस हिसाब से उसको नाम दिया जाता है. नाउ विब्रियो इज जीनस ऑफ ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया and having a curved roll shape. As you can see here, it is a curved and roll shape and red in color, that is gram negative bacteria. Typically found in salt, it is all generally found in salt water. Vibrio is a facultative anaerobe that tests positive for oxidase and do not form spores. All the members of the genus are motile and have polar flagella with seeds. तो विब्रियो है वो रेड इन कलर होता है और हैविंग अ कोमा शेप. नाउ व्हाट इज फाइटोप्लाज्मा? अब फाइटोप्लाज्मा, दिस आर द cell wall less organism and the outer boundary of the cells is being cytoplasmic membrane. These organisms are susceptible to tetracycline and are not inhibited by the penicillin, and they can be cultivated in the laboratory on artificial prepared media. These are the examples of the disease which is caused due to phytoplasma, that is grassy shoot of sugarcane, little leaf of brinjal, then papaya bunchy top and Sesamum phyllodes. Now what is pyroplasma? These are also the cell wall-less organism and prokaryotes. These are the helical and exhibit a swimming motility. The spiroplasma are pathogenic to plants. These are the examples of the disease which is caused due to spiroplasma. Citrus shrub-borne disease, then corn start disease, aster yellow of lettuce disease. So we have discussed about prokaryotes including spiroplasma, mycoplasma, then bacteria. Thank you.